Hey guys, and welcome to the 3D Animation Hub. So this one's kind of an emergency. I just found out that Maya is planning to pretty much cancel their free version. What they're doing now is that you now have to verify you're a student to use their student version, their free version. And instead of 3 years, you only get the software for 1 year. And your only other option really is Maya Lite, which is a substantially worse version of Maya, and it kind of takes away a lot of the stuff that you need to properly animate in the program. Maya's full version, which would be the option I wouldn't really suggest, it would cost approximately $265 a month to use. So this is kind of a dilemma. Because this kind of affects the channel. I don't know, I feel like maybe 70% of you guys or more are not gonna have access to Maya for much longer, because probably by the end of the year or a little bit after that, all your licenses would stop being valid. And so this kind of screws over a lot of people. So I'm doing a poll. There'll be a link in the description. I really need to ask you guys, and I really want your input on this, is would you like me to shift the channel towards more Blender based content or continue with Maya? The thing is, I personally work at a studio where we use Blender, and so when it comes to animation, I know a little bit about Blender and how to animate in Blender. I do have to learn a lot more because my focus has only been on animation with Blender, and so I'm willing to start shifting the channel more towards Blender if that's what you guys want. And so right now the two options are either Maya for a year until the license runs out and then you start paying hundreds of dollars a month, or we use Blender, which is a free program, and it gets a lot of slack, but it's actually, I've used both and professionally. And so in my opinion, Blender is catching up. Right now, there's things I like about Blender that Maya doesn't have, and there are things about Maya that Blender doesn't have. So, but Blender is a free open source platform, and so it's advancing every single year. Every year, Blender's coming more and more powerful, and it's gaining up to Maya, and it's pretty close right now. It's scary. For a free program, it's pretty darn close to Maya. So I feel like this video went on a lot longer than I wanted it to. The goal of this is just to get your opinion. So just go on down below, leave a comment for me, let me know what you think about the situation and what Autodesk is doing. And also fill out the poll. That would really help me, and it would really help out the future of this channel. So again, I would love to know what you guys think. Thanks again, happy animating, and I will see you guys in the next video. Before we cut, I am working on a tutorial that's taking me a long time to make. It's going to be a walk cycle, it's going to be out in a few days, and so I just wanted to apologize for the delay of that video. I've just been doing a lot of overtime at work. Now, again, with all that out of the way, happy animating, and I will see you guys in the next video.